Stanley throwing to the end zone. Sims hauls it down. Touchdown, Jayhawks.
And be ready to go. Gets that ball out of his hands. Even better catch by Sims.
Throwing over the top, and he tried.
And I'll tell you, Kozer drops a
reveal. Gonna toss it to Sims, who will throw it downfield.
Here, it's a throwback, accurate throw there, and this is a nice ball by Sims.
Step drop goes to Sims again, and this time he's got it, and the Jayhawks have a touchdown. For receiver Steven Sims Jr. totaled the most yards with 124 yards on 5 catches. He's going to take it to the house. 25-20, 15-10-5, a touchdown. Steven Sims Jr. continued his hot start to the season with 2 more receiving touchdowns, including this 74-yard catch from quarterback. Back to pass, looks left for Sims. He jumps. Does he haul it in? He's got it. A sensational catch in the back left corner of the end zone. Acrobatic and oh so clutch.
Goes on to the corner. Waiting for the signal. Touchdown.
Jones AT&T Stadium here in Lubbock, Texas. But with this throw, nobody really.
Another slant, this time it's Sims. Oh, what a move. He's got the first down out to midfield. What a grab. Still on his feet. He goes out of bounds. Steven Sims. Flag on the play. That flag got thrown from Topeka, I think, but it's thrown into the